Hey guys, welcome back to our Creek House project. We've got some exciting progress to show you. Timber framing's all complete, the upper roof level has gone on. Jake's about to take you through a walkthrough. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm standing in the kitchen area. As you can see, there's a large amount of structural steel that's gone into this place at the moment. That's to accommodate for these large open space living areas. Just making my way up to the second story now. We're in our stair void, which is going to feel very spacious with 6.1 metre ceilings from the bottom step. We've installed Hebel flooring on our upper story floor trusses. We've chosen that instead of particle board to help reduce the noise transfer down to the ground floor. Next stage of the project, we'll be installing the ColourBond roofing and the WeatherTex cladding. I'll see you then. Yeah, I'm just, you gotta get the lines in the head. No wonder I'm not gonna be a actor. I can cross those plans off.
Is that better?
No.